Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H3 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to connect it with our Android smartphone. So we have here our Android smartphone. So we'll set up the support app, and the support app for this wearable is the Laxas Fit application. So we will have a step-by-step process on how to set up this wearable with our Android smartphone. So if you are interested to see the setup process or the tutorial for connecting the H3 smartwatch with the Android smartphone, watch this video, and again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and pair our wearable with our Android smartphone. Again, it is using the Laxas Fit application. So instead of scanning the QR code, we have a QR code here we don't have, but it is available in the user manual. So we have a QR code here, and I guess it's also available here in the smartwatch. Let's double check. If you lost the QR code or the user manual, you can check it here. Okay, it's available here in the smartwatch Laxas Fit app. In the Google Play Store, you can just search the name. Go to Google Play Store, then search Laxas Fit. Let's see, Laxas Fit. And as you can see, it's a popular application, 5 million plus downloads. Tap on install, wait for the completion of download. It is just 70 MB, as you can see here, 69.82, very lightweight. Then after that, it will automatically install the application on our Android smartphone. Let's wait for it to finish. We are on 25%, 28. Alright, so we are already on 100%, and it is now installing, and it's already installed. Okay, so let's open the application. Open the app, then agree to user privacy policy and user agreement. And we have here a permission for our location. So while using the app, this is for the physical activity and to access your contacts. You can disable this one if you don't like or if you don't want to use the Bluetooth call. But in our case, we'll have a demo, so we will allow it. So this one, you need this one to pair your wearable. Okay, if you don't allow it, you cannot pair your smartwatch. So we will allow this one. This one for the smart notification or message notifications. It's up to you to enable or disable. This is optional. This is for the Bluetooth. Okay, you can, this Bluetooth call, you can disable or enable. Again, it is optional. And it's now loading. Here, it is asking us to log in or register. Okay, tap on the user agreement. And this is just demo, so we will not register. Instead, we will log in directly. So we have here a password and an account number. So let's wait for it. You can record this one if you like to store your data. Okay, then set our profile. We'll just add a fictitious name here, then tap on OK. Okay, legal words, let's change it. Let's see if this one will work. Set successfully. Then we have here permission for our notification. Go to set, look for the Laxas Fit app and toggle it on. Allow, notification access, allow. Go back to the dashboard, go to my section, And as you can see, we already activated our Bluetooth, so no need to activate it. Then tap on add device. If you did not activate your Bluetooth connectivity, the support app will ask to activate it. Just allow the permission. So we have here two wearables. Let's see. So let's check. So what is our smartwatch? Is it the first one or the last one? Go to the about section and F4 E5. So this one, the second one. Okay, then select. Wait for the successful connection, and we are connected successfully. So very easy to pair, as you can see here. So allow the Bluetooth pairing request, pair, and that's it. We already set the permission for notification, but anyway, let's double check. So message reminder, you can disable some of the apps. Then okay, let's see if we are connected. We disable the 24-hour time. We'll use the 12-hour time. Okay, so it works. Remote selfie, synchronize time, set successfully. Then let's double check. We have a phone book here, so let's add a phone number. Contacts will import from our phone book. Let's select these numbers. Okay, refresh. It's now synchronizing. Let's see if our smartwatch here will switch to synchronization mode. And as you can see here, it is synchronizing. Let's double check. Dial contacts, and we have here the numbers. Okay, and as you can see, we have successfully paired or connected our H3 smartwatch with the Access Fit application. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.